What up? What up? What up? Yeah, again, it's me. It's us. Consumer Appliance Repair. Is that repair or report?
No, it's reports, but keep going.
Man, anyways, let's get on this review for this LG French door refrigerator, man. But before I do that, always remember, good to have you guys back. Alright, so again, we're going to talk about our review. Alright, so some of the things we're going to discuss, of course, is the features. That's one of the things that I love about this French door refrigerator is all the features that it has. It has the, what kind of ice? Again, what is it called?
Craft ice.
Craft ice. Yes. I was hoping that you guys would mention it, but I forgot I can't hear you. Craft ice, right? Of course. Craft ice. It got the crushed ice, it got the cube ice, and it also have the craft ice. Cool. It also have the dispenser cup that gives you the different amount of water. If you want 32 ounce, 8 ounce, 16 ounce, whatever, you can choose that if you want as well. It also has the Insta-View door. You know, you just be like, knock on it, display comes on. All right, knock on it again, display goes out. All right, great feature there. Also have the app that you can interact with. If you want to just bring your phone in and say, yo, hello, what's going on with my refrigerator? You typing in, getting that stuff information in, boom, you can do that. They can also communicate back and forth with the LG representative by calling the LG representative and putting your phone next to the top right corner of the refrigerator, and then they communicate back and forth depending on the noise that it makes, and they'll know exactly what's wrong with the refrigerator and diagnose the refrigerator over the phone. Alright, so that's some of the great features that it has, and of course it has different ice makers. We talked about that as well. So you have the convergent drawer that can be a freezer or a refrigerator. It's up to you. I mean, there's so many different features that it got and all that. Of course, you got the filter, which is common, and then you got the air freshener to keep your joint smelling good. There's nothing like a good smelling refrigerator. Trust me, I know. I go to people's houses all the time. I'm not pointing anybody out. I'm gonna just keep my comments to myself and just write a book about it later. Alright, cool. Alright, so the features, we're gonna give it an A. Right? That's good. A is pretty good in class. I didn't get a lot of them, but I remember a few. I got an A, I do remember. I got an A in gym. Because I was nice on the court. You know what I'm saying? I used to shoot the back. Alright, let me stay focused. Alright, now let's get to the parts. The parts, we mentioned the compressor, we mentioned the evaporator, we mentioned the evaporator cover and the assembly. We also remember it's a dual evaporator refrigerator, so there's one in the refrigerator, there's one in the freezer as well. So the parts, there's some parts that you can get. They do make universal compressors. The prices for the parts is not extremely that high, but the biggest issue that you're gonna have when you're looking for an LG refrigerator part is sometimes it takes a long time to get, depending on the sources that they have that you can get the parts from. Sometimes it does take a while. So that's why we're going to give it a C. Alright, so the parts are there to get, but it's sometimes hard to get them, because after a while they stop making certain parts after 10 years. Alright, so we're not going to bring it down a little bit like that, but we're just going to give it average, just put it down at a C. Right, because I really do like the refrigerator. And outside of the looks and the features, it's a really nice refrigerator. As far as the price, we give it a B. Depending on the price that you pay for this refrigerator. Again, I'm gonna sound the alarm. Do not purchase an appliance at regular price. Wait for a sale, wait for a holiday. They come down on these prices on these refrigerators a lot. You just want to make sure that you catch it at a reasonable price so that you can afford it. Alright, so as far as the price, we give it a B. With all the same features, the cubic feet, everything that's connected to it. Try to compare it to a Samsung unit that's similar to it as well. You know, it's roughly about the same price. Alright, so you can get it on sale at a decent price. So we're going to give it about a B. Alright, so as far as the features, we gave it an A. Parts, we gave it a C. Price, we give it a B. Now we're going to focus on the warranty aspect. Alright, industry standard, everybody has a 1-year manufacturer warranty on all the parts and the components. A limited warranty due to normal operation. Alright, so if it fails because of normal manufacturer defect, then yes, they recover all the parts and components for the whole entire year. But Now they add the seal system, which is your compressor, your evaporator, your condenser, your tubings, and stuff like that. Those parts can have extended warranty through the manufacturer for 5 years parts and labor. Alright, so that's pretty good. And then you have the compressor, that's along with the seal system as well. They have an extended warranty on the compressor. That's good for 6 to 10 years. Only the parts which you be responsible for the labor. So as far as the warranty that you're getting, that's going to cover the main components that if they go bad, you're good for an extended warranty for the 5 years, and that's good. I'm with it. You know what I mean? That's pretty good. So that's why we give it a B. So as far as the warranty, we give it a B. So let's go over this one last time for the sake of the math that I gotta do. Features: A. Warranty. B. Parts. C. Price. B. So if you add all those up, right, because we're going from 1 to 5. You looking at me funny like I messed something up. But anyways, 1 to 5, right? The average is about 16 divided by 4. The overall review and grade, we give it a what? Math. I'm good with math. I ain't even have to use my phone for this one. It's a 4. That's 8. That's a 4. So we gave it a 4. We gave it a 4. Alright? So compared to the customers that actually had this appliance, just from a couple sources that we watched and looked at, you're giving it a 4.23. As far as the functions and the features and everything that we like, we're giving it a 4. Again, the weak link on this is just the parts. It's hard to get. So we do have to be honest with you guys and tell you that LG parts at times are sometimes hard to get. Alright, so again, enjoy the joint. Consumer Appliance Report. Don't forget, it's me, your boy Richie Rich. What do we say? You help me, I help you, we help each other. But in this case, I need y'all to help me and subscribe to this channel. Get on that thing, man. Peace.